kind of fun.
This sure is a whirlwind of fun!
Enjoy your jolly, fun-filled time.
Thanks, Anger. Great state! Yep! Woo! You're winding down. Now please stay seated until the emotional whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door. Okay, time to get these memories down to long term. Bye-bye!